you have seen DU inside and out. So can you tell us what makes DU that interesting or more sought after university?
I can admit with all sense of gratitude that I'll say my Delhi University years, I can still say the best years of my life. And the exposure I got, the personality development, the opportunities I got, I believe that whatever I am today, there is a significant contribution of Delhi University. So, in whichever field you want to go into journalism, civil services, social services, whichever place, the type of exposure you will get in humanities. I think as far as humanities graduation is concerned, is still DU should be the first choice of the students, because in comparison to other colleges and universities, I have seen the syllabus is far ahead in accordance to the global trend, and you get an edge, and one must take the experience of DU, and I'm really proud of it.
So am I. Thank you, ma'am.